You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Instagram nicknames not showing. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram, and tap Update. Restart your phone after updating. Next, check your profile. Nicknames appear where you've added them. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, and look for the Name section. Your nickname should be in the first name field. If it's not showing on posts, ensure you haven't changed it recently. It may take a moment to update, then check the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, then offload app and reinstall. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If the issue persists, it may be a temporary Instagram bug. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.